Hello guys, it's your girl Vion. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, consider subscribing, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your great support guys. So guys, it is lunch time. I'm preparing lunch. I'm making recipe. So stay tuned and see how we are going to make it. I have already finished to make them, so I want to put here, then I put in the oven. See, here is macaroni. It's already cooked. Then after that, we have a cream that you'll have to stir up here. After that, we have another cream here that I will mix with this cheese. I'll mix this cheese and this one. I'm going to mix them on this plate. Okay guys, after putting up the chicken mixed with the carrots, with how it looks guys, then you put up this cream. Then you put in foreign. Nikishaweka hapa nipe like 30 minutes, itakuwa ready. There it is guys. Unaiona? Nifungulie. Naeka high ndio iende haraka. Let's give it 30 minutes, then we'll be. Now it is ready guys. It is time to eat. Thank you so much for watching guys. If you have not yet subscribed, I beg subscribe right now and turn on notification bell for more videos guys. Thank you so much. Let's meet to the next video. Bye.